Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing this look right here. I just did the eyes and I skipped doing the face and I showed you guys the blush, the highlight, and yeah. Anyway, I really wanted to test out the e.l.f. by Jess or something like that. The one about you guys, I know you guys seen it. It's a new palette that came out with e.l.f. and it looks so freaking beautiful. I really wanted to do this look with that palette. I really wanted to order that palette and it was sold out, so I just used what I had, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it.
Okay, so I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to line the underneath part of my brows because I like to conceal the little hairs and kind of sort of shape my brows in a way. And I'll be taking this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer, which is amazing, by the way. Really holds on to the shadows and locks them in place for all day. And I'm going to be using the James Charles palette from Morphe. And I obviously set my eyes. I just took the hot pink and the orange. The hot pink, I obviously just put it in the outer part. And the orange, I put it in the inner part. And I'm just taking a clean brush and blending that. So I used what I had at this moment because I ran out of the liquid sugar. And I used the NYX glitter glue, which I do like the NYX glitter glue. But I prefer mixing the loose glitter with the liquid sugar. I don't know if you guys know what that is. And using it, I like doing that when I use the glitter as a liner because it turns it into a more like liquidy consistency. It's so much better to apply it versus applying the NYX glitter glue and then, which the NYX glitter glue is more like a base. So that's pretty if you're doing like a cut crease or something, if you're not trying to use the glitter as a liner. Anyway, I took this face paint because that's what I got. Need some new liners to try out. So if you guys recommend any new neon liquid liners, gel liners, comment down below because I would love to know. And I love this yellow from LA Girl, the yellow pencil. And as you saw, I set that using the James Charles palette. And with that neon glittery yellow from the Huda Beauty Pastel Rose, in love with that highlight shade. Love it as an inner corner. And basically, as you can see, I'm just lining my eyes, doing everything as regular, taking off the bake. And I've been loving this Morphe blush palette. I have become a blush girl now. I used to not be a blush girl, and this blush palette, amazing. And I do wish they sold this James Charles like shade as a highlight because I think it looks beautiful on my skin as a highlight. I don't know for anybody else, but for me, I'm in love with it as a highlight. This NYX Butter Gloss have every shade in this NYX Butter Gloss collection, and I'm completely in love, you guys. I 10/10 recommend the NYX Butter Gloss. And that is the completed look.
Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really can't wait till my FabFitFun box gets here. Excuse me if there's background noise because my kids just woke up. But anyway, I can't wait for my FabFitFun box to get here because I plan on doing an unboxing slash try on slash review because I don't know what they're going to send me at all. I kind of just did it like a surprise kind of thing. I didn't customize it at all. I just added one thing, and that's because I needed lotion. So I know I'm having a body cream delivered with my FabFitFun box. Anyway, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to follow me on my social media for any updates, any new posts, anything new that's going on. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I figured out somewhat of a schedule. I'm thinking so far it seems like I've been posting like every week on a Friday. So yeah, stay tuned for every Friday. I guess that's gonna be the schedule. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!